Welcome, my dear students. Journey to the End of the Earth by Tishani Doshi, Class 12th, Fiction, Chapter number 3. Tishani Doshi is a writer and a dancer also of Welsh Gujarati origin. She was born in Madras in 1975. She studied business administration and communications. His first book of poetry was Countries of the Body. It was published in 2006 and it won the Forward Poetry Prize for Best First Collection in 2006 only. The Pleasure Seekers, published in 2010. It was shortlisted for the Hindu Best Fiction Award and longlisted for the Orange Prize for Fiction and the International IMPAC Dublin Literary Award. Then another collection of poems, Everything Begins Elsewhere, in 2012. After that, she moved in 1999 to London and became assistant to the advertising department of Harper's and Queen magazine. Then in 2001 she returned back to India and became a dancer with the choreographer Chandra Lekha. She also worked as a freelance journalist and to various newspapers such as The Guardian, the International Herald Tribune, the New Indian Express, and the National she contributed. And now it is time for the summary. Though it is very short summary here I am presenting, but the story is very long and there are so many ups and downs and it is wonderful description, and I request all of you to read the chapter line by line. In short, the summary is, it describes the journey of the author Tishani Doshi, who travels to the end of the world, that is Antarctica, aboard a Russian research vessel. Here research vessel is just a boat, a ship, a big one. The program that initiated such expeditions aimed at providing students, so with a intention to spread knowledge, to impart inspiring educational opportunities and help to encourage the young people, the youth, the students, a new understanding and also respect for the planet. This expedition was planned. Doshi underlines the importance of Antarctica in determining the future of the planet. So you must have understood that this chapter is totally focused on our Earth, our planet, and what are the consequences in future if we will not pay attention to it. Students on Ice expedition was initiated to sensitize the youngsters who still have the idealism to save the world. Actually, seeing glaciers receding and ice shelves collapsing will make them understand that global warming is a real threat. It is difficult to imagine or be affected by the polar ice caps melting while sitting in our living rooms, and so this visible life changing experience is important. The writer Tishani Doshi, she has tried to express her first hand knowledge of the Antarctic Circle, geology and ecology, and it is really